Hey guys, Drama123 here, doing another video, and I'm doing Angry Birds Space, episode 3. Ah, silly piggies. Okay, level 12. We've been beating this thing for a little bit. Start. And you can notice I'm using screen flow.
I think you should sit down and do the butterfly. Make her spot on top.
Let's see if I can do this.
Go have your feet down like that.
Are we in luck? Are we in luck? Are we in luck? Are we in luck?
Push them down.
Is he gonna... come on. Yeah! We did it! How many points do we get? We got that much? That's good enough. Ooh, egg. Come for you. Go, go, go. Oh. Yeah. Oh. You did it. Sweet. Awesome. I'm recording. No. Awesome. What does he do? Oh yeah, he's the bomb. Now you're going down. Going down. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm not going to be doing voiceovers, but I don't know how I'm gonna put my new intro on this. If you like my intro, right? I think it's pretty good. If you agree, you just agree, but yeah. So leave a comment of what game I should play. Cause like seriously, I don't know what game to play. So what happened? The frick? Okay. That's not odd at all. Yeah, restart. Sorry about that. We already beat our high score. 3! Yeah! Yeah. Tickle. They really need to clean up. I have an idea. Boom! Come on. After this solo, I'm probably just gonna end off the video. I'm guessing these videos are kind of just... They seem long to me, but they're probably really short. That was a fail. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, I know how I'm gonna kill these guys. Oh yeah. Da 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 da. La 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 la. Well, I guess that no. Well, I guess that's about it for today, guys. So leave a comment of what you want me to play. So, and you don't need to help me find a good screen recorder. I found myself. So yeah. Bye.